2025, the Wall Street Journal declared prompt engineering an obsolete job. The consensus was that AI models had grown so smart that they no longer needed specialized human handlers typing instructions into a chat box. That prediction missed the actual evolution of the technology. The casual chat interfaces were replaced. Instructions that users used to type by hand were moved deep into application code, becoming governed, hard-coded assets. Conversational prompting is largely over. Today, the prompt is an invisible, high-stakes piece of infrastructure, silently running global tech pipelines before you ever see a result. Take automated translation. Out of the box, a large language model optimizes for fluency and general accuracy. But operating in a vacuum without specific organizational constraints, that fluency becomes an immediate liability. A generic model misses tone guidelines, mandatory regulatory phrasing, or domain-specific terminology. It produces text that is technically correct in the target language, but entirely wrong for your brand identity. Minor variations in prompt structure can trigger a plummeting 76-point drop in translation accuracy. A high score means a pipeline runs autonomously. A 76-point deficit forces every word into a manual human review bottleneck. To prevent these output failures, engineers build out extensive context layers, embedding brand voice, glossaries, and formatting rules long before the AI ever interacts with the source text. We call this process context engineering. It is an invisible architectural envelope of system instructions and metadata that wraps around every piece of user content. You might assume the easiest way to control an AI is to write out a detailed description of your desired brand voice or translation rules. In practice, explicitly describing what you want is a highly ineffective way to control the output. This animated diagram illustrates few-shot prompting. Instead of describing the rules, you feed the model 2 to 4 high-quality, pre-translated examples that already align with your brand voice. The processor then immediately outputs a perfectly matched document. The model essentially bypasses the need to understand abstract instructions. It analyzes the examples, detects the patterns, and extracts the precise stylistic rules required to replicate the quality at scale. Controlling AI behavior relies on this exact structural shift. You stop trying to explain your expectations to the machine and instead force it to mimic a proven standard. Even with perfect tone, raw AI text generation is unpredictable. To integrate that text into a larger software system, developers rely on constrained output formatting. If an AI simply outputs a translated paragraph, downstream quality assurance software has no way to automatically verify it. The text is completely unstructured, making it impossible for other programs to parse or evaluate. This diagram shows text restructuring into a strict JSON data array. By applying constrained output, the prompt commands the model to return its translation alongside specific, machine-readable metadata. The resulting array contains exact fields for the downstream software to read: the localized text, a self-graded confidence score from 1 to 5, and distinct flags highlighting any terminology it couldn't match to the approved glossary. Applying these rigid output boundaries transforms the AI from an unpredictable text generator into a highly regulated data producer, ready for direct integration into an enterprise workflow. Embedding these prompts deep within production infrastructure solves the quality problem, but it simultaneously opens a severe attack vector. Any system that accepts outside text, like an automated translation pipeline, is highly vulnerable to the cybersecurity threat known as prompt injection. Malicious actors can take a standard source document and embed hostile system commands deep within the text, hidden completely behind layers of foreign language formatting. When the language model attempts to process the translation, those hidden instructions execute. They hijack the model's logic, overriding built-in compliance filters to silently leak sensitive training data or inject harmful code directly into the company's localized content. In regulated sectors like healthcare and finance, translation has shifted into a frontline cybersecurity challenge, requiring a defensive architecture that strictly isolates untrusted source text from the model's core instructions. When an injection threat can compromise your entire network, and a minor formatting tweak can cause a 76-point drop in accuracy, you can no longer manage prompts as loose text strings saved in a spreadsheet. This is a split-screen developer interface showing two prompt structures under comparison. Engineering teams now treat prompts exactly like software code. They require strict version control, mandatory A/B testing before deployment, and the ability to trigger instant rollbacks if output quality degrades. A rigorously governed prompt library holds your brand voice, your compliance rules, and your stylistic constraints. It represents a localization team's most critical institutional vault. Stop typing instructions blindly into chat windows. Audit your automated pipelines to see exactly what context is guiding your models, and start treating those instructions like the production code they are. Build the infrastructure required to manage these prompts securely, or prepare to deal with the catastrophic failures of a fragile system.